If you're over 60, please pause for a moment before your next shower. Because there is one very common shower habit that seems harmless, but for older adults, it can quietly raise blood pressure, strain the heart, and in serious cases, trigger a stroke. And right after that, we'll talk about everyday foods many seniors eat thinking they're normal or safe, but that actually damage aging blood vessels over time, and what you should eat instead. Stay with me because this information could protect your health or even your life. I'm sharing this not to scare you, but to care for you. Doctors who work with seniors often see the same pattern again and again. A sudden dizzy spell, weakness on one side, loss of balance right after a shower. Let's talk about why this happens. The main topic is the dangerous shower habit. The habit I'm talking about is taking very hot showers. Hot water feels relaxing, especially for stiff joints and sore muscles. But after 60, your body reacts to heat very differently than it used to. Here's what happens inside your body. Hot water causes blood vessels to suddenly expand. Blood pressure can drop quickly or spike unpredictably. The heart has to work harder to keep blood flowing to the brain. This sudden shift can reduce oxygen to the brain. In seniors with high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, or narrowed arteries, this can trigger a stroke or fainting episode. Many falls in the bathroom start this exact way. Clear warning signs. If you've ever felt lightheaded, weak, short of breath, or dizzy during or after a hot shower, your body is already warning you. Please don't ignore that signal. The solution is simple and safe. Use warm water, not hot. Keep showers shorter. Sit on a shower chair if balance is an issue. Always stand up slowly after finishing. These small changes dramatically reduce stroke and fall risk. Now, let's talk about something just as dangerous, but far more silent. Foods that slowly damage aging bodies every single day, without pain, without warning. Many seniors eat these foods believing they're harmless. They're not. In the next part, I'll show you the healthy-looking breakfast foods that spike blood pressure, the common dinner ingredients that stiffen arteries, and the simple, affordable foods that protect your brain and heart after 60. These food swaps can literally save your blood vessels, so stay with me. Welcome back. Now that you understand why hot showers can be dangerous after 60, let's talk about something even more silent: the food on your plate. Because strokes, heart attacks, and memory loss don't usually happen overnight. They build slowly, meal by meal, year by year. Food danger number 1: healthy breakfast traps. Let's start with breakfast. Many seniors believe they're making a healthy choice by eating white toast, sugary cereals, flavored yogurt, or packaged fruit juice. But here's the truth. These foods spike blood sugar and blood pressure even if you don't have diabetes. When blood sugar spikes, blood vessels become inflamed, arteries stiffen, and the brain receives unstable blood flow. Over time, this raises stroke risk dramatically. What to eat instead? Breakfast swaps. A better breakfast for aging bodies looks like this: eggs with vegetables, oatmeal with nuts and cinnamon, plain Greek yogurt with berries, whole fruit instead of juice. These foods stabilize blood sugar, protect arteries, and support brain health. Food danger number 2: salt hiding in plain sight. Next, let's talk about hidden salt. Even seniors who don't add salt often eat too much sodium from canned soups, processed meats, frozen dinners, pickles, and sauces. Excess sodium causes fluid retention, higher blood pressure, and strain on the heart and kidneys. For seniors, this creates the perfect storm for strokes and heart failure. Safe salt strategy. Gentle guidance. You don't need bland food. Instead, use herbs, lemon, garlic, and spices. Choose low sodium or no salt added options, and rinse canned foods before cooking. Your taste buds will adjust and your arteries will thank you. Food danger number 3, fried and processed fats. Now let's talk about fats. The most dangerous fats for seniors are found in fried foods, packaged snacks, margarine and shortening, fast food meals. These fats increase bad cholesterol, thicken blood, and reduce circulation to the brain. That means less oxygen, slower thinking, higher stroke risk. What to eat instead? Brain-friendly fats. Healthy fats actually protect aging brains and hearts. Choose olive oil, avocados, nuts and seeds, fatty fish like salmon or sardines. These foods reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Gentle reminder, if you've been eating these danger foods for years, please don't feel guilty. Your body can still heal at any age. What matters is what you do starting today. Teaser for part 3. In the next part, we'll talk about the nighttime eating habits that raise stroke risk, drinks seniors should avoid after sunset, and the best evening routine to protect your heart and brain while you sleep. This part is especially important if you wake up tired, dizzy, or with high morning blood pressure. Stay with me. Welcome back. In this part, we're going to focus on something many seniors overlook: what happens in the evening and at night. Because the hours before sleep are when blood pressure, heart rhythm, and brain circulation can become unstable, especially after 60. And for many seniors, stroke risk quietly increases after sunset. Let's start with dinner. Eating heavy meals late at night forces your heart and digestive system to work while your body is trying to rest. This can cause blood pressure spikes during sleep, acid reflux and breathing stress, and poor circulation to the brain. For seniors, this raises the risk of nighttime strokes and morning dizziness. The best approach is simple. Eat your main meal at least 3 hours before bed. Keep dinners lighter and easier to digest. Focus on vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Your heart needs rest, just like you do. Now let's talk about drinks. Many seniors enjoy tea or coffee in the evening, sugary beverages, and alcohol to relax. But these drinks can raise blood pressure, disrupt sleep, dehydrate the body, and increase heart rhythm problems. Alcohol in particular can cause blood pressure drops followed by sudden spikes, a dangerous combination for aging brains. Better evening drink choices. Instead, choose warm water, herbal teas like chamomile, or a small glass of milk if tolerated. These support calm sleep and steady circulation. Nighttime habit number 3, ignoring sleep signals. Many seniors push through fatigue, dizziness, or headaches at night. Please don't. These may be signs of blood pressure imbalance, dehydration, or poor brain circulation. Ignoring them increases stroke risk. A safe nighttime routine includes gentle stretching, slow breathing, dim lighting, and avoiding screens before bed. This helps lower stress hormones and protect blood vessels. Remember, strokes don't come from one mistake. They come from repeated stress on the body. And the good news is, you can reduce that stress starting tonight. In the final part, we'll bring everything together. I'll share the safest shower routine for seniors, a simple daily checklist for stroke prevention, and the one habit doctors wish every senior would start today. Please don't miss the final part. Warm, reassuring opening. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you're over 60, that tells me something important. You care about your health, your independence, and your future. Now let's bring everything together in a clear, simple, and safe plan you can start today. The safest shower routine for seniors. Let's return to where we started, the shower. A stroke-safe shower routine looks like this. Use warm water, never very hot. Keep showers short. Sit if you feel even slightly unsteady. Avoid showering when extremely tired or dehydrated. Step out slowly, holding a support bar if possible. These habits protect your blood pressure, heart, and brain. Daily stroke protection checklist after 60. Here's a simple daily checklist doctors recommend for seniors. Drink enough water throughout the day. Eat balanced meals with low sodium. Choose healthy fats over fried foods. Move your body gently every day. Manage stress and sleep well. Listen to dizziness, weakness, or headaches. Your body always gives warnings. We just have to listen. The one habit doctors wish every senior would start. This habit is powerful and completely free. Slow down. Move slower. Stand up slower. Shower slower. Eat slower. Breathe slower. After 60, your body needs time to adjust. Slowing down protects your brain more than most medicines. A message from the heart. If you've made mistakes in the past, please don't feel regret. Your body is incredibly wise and forgiving. Even small changes today can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, protect memory, and reduce stroke risk. You are never too old to protect your health. Gentle call to action. If this video helped you, please share it with someone over 60. Like the video to help others find it. Subscribe for more senior health guidance. Your support helps save lives. Thank you for listening and take gentle care of yourself.